Looking for great cordless vacuum to buy on Black Friday? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, Eyugle 1409 feature. 1 liter large capacity dust box with safe filtration. Very convenient to use and can be washed easily. With the speed adjust button, you can change the suction power. By turning the wind control knob on handle, the suction power can be adjusted by Eyugle. Number 2, cordless and lightweight, Zerhunt handheld vacuums is only 0.7 kilograms. And the cordless design means no more cable getting in your way. Cleaning from room to room is hassle-free, by Zerhunt. Number 3, 7000 PAR powerful suction, cordless handheld vacuum cleaner, perfect used for car, home, sofa, pet, corner, by Puppyoo. For real-time updates and price drops, just click this link below. We will automatically add these items to your cart, for price alerts.